As more jurisdictions prioritize the circular economy and implement regulations requiring increased environmental stewardship, the demand on the manufacturing industry to operate safe, sustainable, and high-performing facilities is now stronger than ever. Optimizing facility operations, advancing corporate goals, and mitigating your environmental impact requires innovative engineering insights backed by industry expertise. At RWDI, we have a record of developing innovative tools to help manufacturing firms refine their systems and realize their business objectives. Our team combines expertise in evolving regulations with our renowned engineering knowledge in sustainability, climate and weather, building science, and green certification systems to help solve the most pressing manufacturing challenges. With expert data, recommendations, and testing, our team has the breadth and depth to assist you. Compliance demands are increasing. No longer can you afford to simply meet existing requirements. You need a partner who can provide you with insights into emerging trends and upcoming regulations, enabling you to proactively make changes to reduce or eliminate the potential for operational delays. We maintain professional relationships with the regulatory and industry organizations that impact your day-to-day production, working alongside and providing technical consultation and insight to industry regulators with the goal of identifying metrics that are feasible, useful, and help ensure the growth of the industry. From source sampling to ambient monitoring, clients trust our experienced team of experts to keep them up to date with the latest changes in the regulatory landscape. Time, budget, and regulatory compliance are crucial. Any one of these can make or break the success of a manufacturing facility and its critical supply chains. Identifying how to optimize your complex production processes to meet these challenges can be difficult. We can help with in-depth and comprehensive site assessments to identify areas for improvement. Whether you are looking for waste audits or to ensure efficient and proper capture and disposal, seeking to prevent fugitive process contaminants or products from escaping to the natural environment, or striving to make your operation safer for those working in it, we can help. Our deep and diverse expertise across a variety of industries, such as automotive, cosmetics, pulp and paper, food and beverage, chemical processing, and plastics, ensure we can solve your process challenges no matter how difficult. We help clients quantify and document the environmental impact of their operations, including greenhouse gas emissions. If mitigating the environmental impact of your operations is a priority, our engineers and sustainability specialists can help you assess and verify your carbon capture options, track heat and pollutants using CFD, or identify and take the next steps to LEED certification. As regulations evolve to incorporate more demanding stewardship requirements, such as extended producer responsibility, we provide the accurate data you need to report on environmental goals and meet your corporate social governance reporting requirements. No matter your industry, there are opportunities to optimize processes, manage costs, and confidently meet regulations to ensure a safe, sustainable, and profitable facility. At RWDI, we're more than just technical experts. We're knowledgeable and collaborative partners, providing both the tools and the expertise needed to get the job done. Together, we can make your manufacturing operations more efficient, compliant, and sustainable, so you can confidently address current and future challenges.